Good morning, student. How are you? My name is Roshan. Today I will teach you computer class 3, chapter number 1, and chapter name is hardware and software. So now, what is computer? A computer is an electronic machine. It is very useful machine. It's run on electricity. Computer made consists of hardware and software. Now we will learn about hardware and software. What is hardware? The part of computer we can touch or feel are called hardware. Second is software. What is software? The part of computer cannot be touched or feel are called software. Now, hardware categorized into three parts. First, input device. Second is output device. Third, storage devices. So let's understand one by one. Input device. What is input device? Those devices which are used to enter data into a computer are called input device. Now, second is output device. Those devices display the result after processed of CPU are called output device. Storage device. Storage devices are used to store data into a computer. Now, input devices. These are input devices: keyboard, mouse, microphone. Keyboard. What is keyboard? Keyboard is input device. It is used to type data into computer. There are different type of key on keyboard, like alphabet key, numeric key. Numeric key are used to enter number. Arrow key, functions key. Next is mouse. What is mouse? Mouse is an input device. Mouse used to select object on computer. Mouse has two buttons, left button and right button, and one scroll wheel. Scroll wheel are used to move a page up and down. Now, third one is microphone. Microphone is also input device. It is used to record voice into computers. Now, second is output device. What is output device? Output device, this type of device display result or information on monitor are called output device. So these are output device. First, monitor, printer, and speaker. What is printer? Sorry, what is the monitor? Monitor is the output device. It is used to display the image and document. When you enter a data into input device, through computer, the display on monitor. This is called output. The second is printer. What is printer? Printer are used to print a photo and document. Now, third one is a speaker. A speaker is also output device. It is used to output the voice from computer. Now, third one is storage device. What is storage device? Storage devices are used to store data in computers. Hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive. This is a storage device. Hard disk. What is hard disk? Hard disk is storage device. It is already placed inside the CPU box. It is stored data. Store data into hard disk. Second is CD. CD stands for compact disk. It is round and flat and shiny. It can store lot of file, folder, pictures and text file. Now, third one is DVD. DVD is stand for digital versatile disk. DVD similar to CD. It is also store file, folders, photos, document, etc. Now, fourth is pen drive. Pen drive is a small storage device. It is very useful device. It is mainly used for transfer data from one computer to another. Pen drive is also carried anywhere. Now, second is software. There are two types of software: system software and application software. System software. What is system software? A system software performs the basic function of computer. It controls the overall of working of the computers. Some example of system software: Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Macintosh operating system, antivirus software. So these are system software. Now, second is application software. What is application software? Application software. Application software are task-specific function of program are called application software. So, example of application software: MS Paint, WordPad, Notepad, computer games, etc. So these are application softwares. So now, today I will understood basic part of computer, hardware and software, and type of hardware: input device, output device, storage device, and software. There are two types of software: system software, application software. Now, I hope I hope you understood very well. See you in the next class.